The aftermath of drone strikes on tanks typically leaves them either damaged or potentially immobilized. Drones are equipped with shape-charged warheads renowned for their exceptional penetration capabilities. Although tanks are engineered to withstand impacts, their post-strike operational reliability is not guaranteed. A specific vulnerability arises in the design of Soviet and Russian tanks, where ammunition is stored inside alongside the crew. When a warhead successfully penetrates and strikes the ammunition, the subsequent detonation of all rounds generates intense pressure, often propelling the turret forcefully into the air. The energy released in such instances is truly remarkable. A recent incident serves as a stark example of this occurrence. A Russian tank struck in the rear section atop the turret witnessed the warhead penetrating the ammunition, causing the turret to soar nearly 100 meters based on drop time. This resulted in the total destruction of the tank, eliminating one adversary from future conflicts.